Hello friends, welcome back to IQ Nest. In today's video, we would be discussing about one of the important topic in biology, that is human anatomy. So before we start, a few words. If you are watching our channel for the first time, please subscribe our channel and support us. Also, please do watch our previous videos on various topics and build up your knowledge. So without further delay, let's start with today's topic, important facts regarding human anatomy. The first point is, neuron is the longest cell in human body. The next point, sperm is the smallest cell in human body, and ovum is the largest cell in human body. So neuron is the longest cell, sperm is the smallest cell, and ovum is the largest cell in human body. The next point, a healthy person has 5 to 6 liters of blood in his body. Next, blood cell having longest lifespan in humans is known as red blood cells, also known as erythrocytes. It has a lifespan of 100 to 120 days. The blood cell having shortest lifespan is platelets. It has a lifespan of 10 days. The lifespan of white blood cells or leukocytes is 10 to 15 days depending on the body. So the red blood cells have the longest lifespan of 100 to 120 days, and the platelets have the shortest lifespan of 10 days. The next point, the largest blood cells in the human body is leukocytes or white blood cells. So white blood cells are the largest blood cells in human body. The next point, the largest white blood cells is monocytes. The smallest white blood cells is lymphocytes. So monocytes is the largest white blood cells, and lymphocytes is the smallest white blood cells. The next point, the total number of organs in the human body is 79. The largest sense organ in human body is skin, and skin is the largest organ in the body as well. So skin is the largest sense organ and the largest organ in human body. The next point, the only organ in human body which is not affected by cancer is heart. Next point, the largest blood vessel in human body and the largest artery in human body is aorta. The next point, the organ which stores large amount of vitamin A and large amount of fat is liver. Next, the least regeneration ability is by brain cells. So brain cells are having the least regeneration ability, and the organ which has the greatest regeneration ability is liver. So liver has the greatest regeneration ability, and brain cells are having the least regeneration ability. The next point, the total number of bones in human body is 206. That is 206. Next, largest and strongest bone in human body is femur, that is thigh bone. And the smallest bone in human body is stapes, that is in the ear. And the next point, the only movable bone in skull is lower jaw, that is also known as mandible. The next point, the thinnest bone in human body is fibula. So fibula is the thinnest bone in human body, and the largest and strongest bone in human body is femur, and the smallest bone in human body is stapes. The next point, the strongest facial bone is called as mandible. So mandible is the strongest facial bone in human body, and sciatic nerve is the largest nerve in human body, and knee is the largest joint in human body. The next point, the number of chambers of the human heart is 4. So there are 4 chambers in the heart of a human. The next point, the largest vein in human body is inferior vena cava. The next point, the blood group without antigens is O blood group. So O blood group is having no antigens. The next point, the blood group without antibody is AB. So AB has no antibody and blood group O has no antigens. The next point, AB blood group is known as universal recipient, and O negative, that is ORH negative, is known as universal donor. The next point, the most common blood group in human body is O positive, and the rarest blood group in human body is AB negative. Next, hardest material in human body is the tooth enamel. The number of milk teeth in human body is 20. The number of permanent teeth in human body is 32. The normal blood pressure in human body is 120/80 mmHg. The time taken for one cardiac cycle is 0.8 seconds. The menopause age of a human is 40 to 50 years. Next point, the strongest muscle in the human body is masseter. The longest muscle in the human body is sartorius. The largest muscle in the human body is gluteus maximus. The smallest muscle in the human body is stapedius. The muscle that works without rest in human body is cardiac muscle, and the muscle that act in opposition to each other is antagonist muscle. Next point, the largest gland in human body is liver, and the smallest gland in human body is pineal gland. So liver is the largest gland and the pineal gland is the smallest gland. And next one, the largest endocrine gland in human body is thyroid gland, and the largest exocrine gland in human body is pancreas. So thyroid gland is the largest endocrine gland and pancreas is the largest exocrine gland in human body. And the gland known as master gland is pituitary gland. So pituitary gland is a master gland in human body. And the last point, the pulse rate of a human body is 72 per minute. So friends, so these are the important facts regarding human anatomy. So that's it for today. So if you like this video and if you feel that this video was informative, please like it and subscribe our channel. Also, please press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of all the new videos that will be uploaded in this channel. So I will meet you again with another informative video. Thank you for watching and have a good day.